joyful even in the face of challenges. Christmas has always been about family, tradition, and togetherness. And here at the Royal Mandaya Hotel, we are grateful to continue sharing that love and light with the Davaoenyo community. This celebration is a reminder that no matter what we go through, there is always room for gratitude, faith, and the kind of hope that brings people closer together. Also here tonight is Ms. Ira Zarina Escandor, Managing Director, GMI Group and Esteco.
Distinguished guests, dear friends, and our cherished Mandaya family. On behalf of the Royal Mandaya Hotel, it is my pleasure and honor to welcome you, all of you, to this year's Christmas tree lighting ceremony, a celebration we fondly call Christmas Tradition of Love. Tonight, we gather not only to bring in the holiday season, but to celebrate the true spirit that binds us, love in all its forms. Love for family, love for community, love for the traditions that bring us home, no matter how fast the world revolves around us. As we stand here in the lobby, glowing in shades of red, green, and gold, we are reminded of what these colors represent. Red for warmth and joy, green for prosperity and good fortune, and gold for gratitude and abundance. These are the gifts we wish to share with all of you tonight. Our Christmas tree, soon to be illuminated, symbolizes more than just the start of the festive season. It stands as a beacon of light, reminding us that even in challenging times, love remains our brightest guide. As the lights sparkle to life in just a moment, may they inspire us to spread kindness, generosity, and compassion, not only within these walls, but throughout our communities and into the year ahead. Thank you for being here, for celebrating with us, and for being part of the Royal Mandaya's growing family and tradition. May tonight fill your hearts with warmth and your spirits with hope. Welcome to the Royal Mandaya's Christmas Tradition of Love. Let the lights and the season begin. Thank you.
Unity and the hope we carry into this season. Raise your glasses and everyone in 3, 2, 1, cheers! Cheers and we sing Merry, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone! Oh, one, keep ringing those bells louder and louder!
Happy birthday.